In this video, I will teach you how to apply for Costco membership in UK. First of all, you need to go to Google and write the simple keyword in the Google search. Apply for Costco membership UK and open the first result. And when you go to this page, here will be different types of memberships: executive, gold star membership, and gold star membership. As you can see, gold star membership has got less bonuses right here. So it's up to you which one you want. So for example, if you want to take executive gold star membership, you need to click this start saving and earning right here, and you will be redirected to this page where you need to fill all of the necessary spaces. So you need to enter your first name and last name. You need to enter your employment type, your mobile phone number, your email, and you need to confirm your email. Then click validate email. It will send the confirmation code to your email, and after that you can finalize the transaction and you will get the Costco membership in UK. So that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.